Good morning everyone, welcome to another day of Vlogmas. It's a bit of a late start today, it's already 10 o'clock. I just had to wait until someone was picking, oh my god, you can see the mess I've got to do in the background, can't you? Oh wow. So yeah, I just had to wait until someone was picking something up today. I'm struggling guys, I'm really struggling. It is now 11 o'clock. We have had breakfast, I haven't got anything in my teeth. We've had breakfast and I just don't want to move. I don't want to clean. Oh my god, I need to get motivation. I just want to sit and do nothing all day. The main living area is fairly tidy. I've just got to give it a bit of a once over and mop the floor. The kitchen needs a bit of a clean. My bedroom is a disaster. I need to clean it. I need to get it ready for Christmas, but I don't want to move. I don't feel like it. Help me get motivated. Oh, God. I should just get up and do it, shouldn't I? Just get up and do it. It's not going to get done if I don't do it. I really am in holiday mode right now, guys. Maybe 2020 can be the year when everything isn't Christmas clean. Oh no. I can't even be bothered getting up and putting my tree lights on. That's how lazy I feel today. I'm just burnt out. I'm just really... Maybe if I just start, it'll get me motivated to keep going. I've done half the house. I've done all the kids' end of the house. So the kids' bedrooms are clean, their bathrooms clean, laundry, bar room. That's all clean, mopped, everything. I've got to do this room and I've got to do my bedroom. Or I can just sit and stare at this camera for another half hour, whinging that I can't get up and do anything. So I got my eyebrows done. I don't know if you noticed in my last video, but my God, they do them so well. Like... I actually, in Port, we've got a lot of the, not a lot, but there's at least two. There's one in Settlement City and there's one in the Target, the Port Central, where it's an actual eyebrow specialty shop or, you know, place where you go they basically just do your eyebrows. And I think like your eyebrow wax at one of those shops is like $35 or something ridiculous like that. Honestly, I always go to the Asian nail places, the places where you get your nails and the pedicure foot spas done. And I always get my eyebrows done there. And I think I just won't go anywhere else. They just do a fantastic job. And I think eyebrow waxing there is like $10. Honestly, I think I got my eyebrows waxed, my eyebrows tinted and my eyelashes tinted for $25. No, was it 25? No, I think mine was 35. So I think it's $10 for the waxing, $10 for the tinting, and then $15 for the eyelash tint. Excuse my hair. I'm happy with my hair. It's just this little bit is just a little bit too short for my liking. I like it to sort of sit about here. And I mean, technically, if you pulled it straight, it is sitting about there, but it's just a little bit too short. It's fine. It'll grow back. The rest of it's not too bad. I'm pretty happy with how he's sort of trimmed the rest of it up because I normally like to have it all like flicked out. I just haven't done anything with it today. I've just washed it and left it. I haven't even put any product in it today. So it's just as is. No makeup. But yeah, so the one where we went to in Port Central, the Asian shop we went to. I think it's part of the Country Nail one that's next to Kmart. But yeah, I mean, God, she does such a nice job. I'm really always happy when I come out of there. So I don't go anywhere else. I like it. I'm just procrastinating. You know this, don't you? Talking about my friggin' eyebrows for 15 minutes, really. It's just my way of procrastinating. And now I'm watching the cat lick all the bacon grease off the bacon we've just cooked. Have a look. That's charming, isn't it? Can you even see her? Yeah. Well, I just figured the more she licks, the less I have to clean. I'm still gonna clean it. It's only the baking paper part she's licking. All right. What else can I show you that will put off cleaning? What about Rolly? He's just eating grass. Do you want to watch Rolly eat grass? Probably not. All right, stuff it. I'm just going to clean this part and see how I feel. Let's do it. All right, I've put the aircon on. I realised that's my problem. I think I was just too hot. I mean, look, it's only 25 degrees outside today, which is like a beautiful day normally. But when I'm inside cleaning, I get very sweaty. And when I get sweaty, I get very frustrated. And when I get frustrated, I don't want to do anything. So I think what I needed to do is just put the aircon on, bite the bullet, get it on 22 degrees where it's nice and cold. Then I can work and I'm not going to be working up a sweat. I mean, sweating's good, you know, detoxes your body and all that, but I'd hate sweating when I'm cleaning. So, and I've got water to dehydrate myself. Yep, that's the one. And as you can see, I'm back in my bedroom. I've decided to start on my bedroom because the kitchen is like the most used area of the house. That's always going to need cleaning and cleaning. So if I spend the day cleaning that, the minute Michael and Jesse come home or the minute Jamie gets hungry, it's going to get messed up again. So that's just going to be a daily, I mean, of course, it's a daily, never-ending chore. But I thought, well, at least if I clean my bedroom, it's Christmas clean, it's done. No one's really messing it up except for me. So yeah, we're going to do the bedroom first. Now, I've just flipped my mattress because it hasn't been done for a while and it's pretty old. It needs updating. If anyone's got any recommendations for a good mattress that doesn't cost thousands of dollars, recommend them to me. And let's just get this Christmas bedroom going, shall we? The magic of YouTube. Oh my God, I'm freaking done, guys. Look at me, I'm a bloody wreck. The floor's still wet. I've just finished. It's about, I don't know, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. I don't know why it took me so long. But have a look at the bed, guys. I love it. I love the little red pillowcases poking through to offset against my little ticking stripe slip cover. And then my other grain sack pillows that I made. I just love it. Oh, and my little stocking garland. All up now. I love that. I think it looks so cute and just goes with all my other little ticking stripe stuff that I've done in my room. So bedroom is officially Christmas clean. Loving it, loving it. Oh, so it's done. So this will at least stay this way until Christmas now. So I'm very happy. And I even cleaned up my makeup desk a bit. I took off that little caddy that was here that held all my other makeup, and I've just hid it in the drawers. I just think it looks a hell of a lot cleaner and neater. So yeah, I just trying to streamline everything a bit, making it look a little bit nicer. So shower's all clean. I can't like feel my nose hairs or anything like that. They're all burnt from the domestos, but oh God, it smells good. It's starting to look quite festive in here now. I've done my Christmas clean. I know I didn't film it. Oh God, guys, I was so unmotivated to do anything today. It was taking me so long, and I thought if I try and film while doing this, I'm gonna never get it done. So yeah, I just had to get it done. But it's all clean. We've got some lights happening over there. We've got some lights happening on the table. Some of them need to be refreshed. They're looking a bit dull. I've got all my little gingerbread, I don't know if it's hard to see that they're on, but got all my little gingerbread houses lights on. And there's a few little mini candles in there doing different colours. A couple behind there as well. But yes, starting to get festive. I've got my entryway here. Those lights need to be refreshed. They're all on batteries. And I don't know if I showed you my bedroom. I put some Christmas lights in the on the little tree here. Put some batteries in that. And then I've got my little lights on up above my shelf there. It has really been a day, guys. I'm an absolute mess. Have a look at me. But yeah, sticking up everywhere. Oh, I think I had a shower this morning, but I've got to have another one before I go to bed tonight. I cannot, especially with the new sheets. Oh, I don't know what else more I'm going to be doing today. I don't really want to cook anything because the kitchen's nice and clean now. Well, I might just finish it off here, give you what I've got for today, and then start tomorrow fresh. There'll be no cleaning tomorrow. It'll just be a fun me day tomorrow. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm definitely not going to do any cleaning. So the only thing I will do is some washing. Got to keep on top of that. So I might finish it off here, guys. Happy Vlogmas, and I will see you tomorrow.